So, if you've ever found yourself staring at a spreadsheet of client names, dreading the manual input, or if you're planning a business expansion and wondering how to integrate new client lists without chaos, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to demystify the process of transferring clients on Vagaro. We'll explore the various scenarios where client transfers become essential, walk through the step-by-step procedures, and even uncover some best practices to ensure a smooth, secure, and stress-free transition for your valuable client data. Get ready to reclaim your time, boost your efficiency, and keep your client relationships thriving, no matter how much your business evolves. Let's dive into the core of how to transfer clients on Vagaro. There are primarily two main scenarios we'll cover: transferring clients between staff members within the same Vagaro account, and the more complex but equally important process of importing clients from an external source, which often happens when migrating to Vagaro or merging businesses. First, let's talk about transferring clients between staff members. This is incredibly useful when a stylist leaves and their clients are assigned to another, or when you're onboarding new staff who are bringing their existing clientele. To transfer clients from one staff member to another within the same Vagaro account, log in as the business owner or an employee with appropriate permissions. This is crucial as only users with administrative rights can perform these types of transfers. Navigate to the Reports section. Select Client Reports. Choose the Client List report. Filter by Assigned to, and select the staff member whose clients you want to transfer. This will generate a list of all clients currently assigned to that specific staff member. Once the list populates, you'll see an option to reassign clients. Click on this. Pop-up window will appear. Here, you can select the new staff member you wish to assign these clients to. You also have the option to reassign all clients or select specific ones. This granular control is fantastic for situations where only a subset of clients needs to be moved. Confirm the transfer. Vagaro will process the request, and the clients will now be associated with their new staff member. It's important to note that when you reassign clients this way, their entire history, including past appointments, notes, and preferences, will typically move with them to the new staff member's profile. This ensures continuity of service. Now, let's tackle the second, often more complex scenario: importing clients into Vagaro from an external source. This is common when you're migrating from another booking system like Mindbody, Square, or even a simple spreadsheet, or when you're merging with another salon that uses a different system. For importing clients, Vagaro provides a robust Import Clients feature, usually found under the Settings or Customers section, depending on your Vagaro interface version. Here's a general step-by-step for importing clients. Prepare your client data in a CSV, comma-separated values format. This is the most critical step. Most other software systems allow you to export client data into a CSV file. If you're starting from scratch or using a simple spreadsheet, ensure your columns are clearly labeled and consistent. Essential fields usually include first name, last name, phone number, email, address, birthday, and any relevant notes. Vagaro will provide a template or guide on the required CSV format, so always refer to that to ensure a successful import. Mismatched column headers or incorrect data formats can cause the import to fail. Log in to your Vagaro account as the business owner. Navigate to the Customers or Clients section. Look for an Import Clients or Upload Clients option. This might be under a More Actions or similar drop-down menu. Upload your prepared CSV file. Vagaro will then guide you through a mapping process. This is where you match the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Vagaro. For example, you'll tell Vagaro that your email address column in your CSV corresponds to Vagaro's email field. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the import, Vagaro will often show you a preview or a summary of how the data will be imported. This is your chance to catch any errors or mismatches. Pay close attention to this step. Start the import. Depending on the number of clients, this could take a few moments or longer. Vagaro will usually notify you once the import is complete. A few crucial tips for successful client imports: clean your data beforehand. Remove duplicates, standardize formatting, e.g., phone numbers, and fill in any missing critical information in your CSV file before uploading. Garbage in, garbage out applies perfectly here. Use Vagaro's CSV template. If Vagaro offers a downloadable CSV template, use it. This ensures your column headers and formatting are exactly what the system expects, drastically reducing import errors. Import in batches if unsure. For very large client lists, thousands, consider importing a small batch first to ensure everything works correctly before uploading your entire database. Be mindful of existing clients. If you're importing clients who might already exist in your Vagaro system, e.g., you're updating information, Vagaro typically has options to either update existing records or create new ones based on unique identifiers like email addresses. Understand how Vagaro handles duplicates to avoid creating multiple profiles for the same person. Client notes and history. While basic contact information transfers well, detailed appointment histories, product purchase records, or specific service preferences from another software system often require a separate, more complex data migration that might need Vagaro support. The CSV import is primarily for core client contact and basic profile data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.